guys, it's Annisalimara. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I create a super easy 5-minute updo on short tapered hair. And as you can see, my hair is already dry and it's an old style, so I'm going to be using the Aunt Jackie's Curl La La. This is a defining curl custard. It's for natural curls, coils, and waves, and it has shea butter and olive oil. It smells so good. It has mega moisture humectants in it, and if you know anything about humectants, a hygroscopic substance that is used to keep things moist, so it's going to attract moisture to your hair, which is really important even in the summertime. I am going to be using this to define my curls. As you can see, they need a little TLC. I am going to first section my hair off with a headband to pull my hair up, and then I'm going to pull some of the hair going forward to kind of create like a faux bang. And then I'm going to go in and spritz my hair with a little bit of water because it is dry. And the reason why I'm doing it on dry hair is because I actually washed my hair a few days ago, so it's not quite ready to be washed again. I'm just going to section my hair off and just begin finger coiling at the ends of my hair, using the Curl La La to really add moisture and to really help define the curls at the end. And I'm just going to repeat this on my entire head, especially focusing on the front where the bang part is. You only need a small amount to add to each section of your hair, so you can use this for a wash and go. My hair typically likes gels for wash and goes, but I would definitely use this for a twist out. The Curl La La is also eco-friendly. It's sulfate free, paraben free, it has no mineral oils and no petroleum, and again, like I said, it's extremely moisturizing. My hair is super soft after using this product, and again, it smells amazing. And I'm just going to pick it out and make it a little bit bigger, put the flowers in there, and that is it. So make sure you guys go to the description box. I'll make sure I leave the link to this product. Make sure you guys check out Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils on their website. And thank you so much for watching. See you guys later. Peace.